Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of the square root of x, you got about 1 over 2 with the square root of x. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0. So we just have this one left. Next, because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. And you got about 2 du equals to 1 over the square root of x dx. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so we put number 0 down here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When x equals to number 1, so we put number 1 down here. The square root of number 1, you got about number 1. 1 plus 1 is about number 2. So u equals to number 2. Number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by number 2. This one we change by u. Dx over the square root of x we change by 2 du. The integration of 1 over u square, you got about negative 1 over u. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we put number 2 and number 1 down here. This is about number 2. This is about for number 1. We calculate this one, and we have number 1 in here, and this is the final answer. Question number 2, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 3x squared dx. First derivative of number 1, that is about 0. First derivative of this one, you got this one in here. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3 in here. This one we change by u. x squared dx we change by this one. The integration of 1 over u squared, we have negative 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we have number 3 multiplied by this one in here. And this is the final answer we need to write. Now we go to the last one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 3x plus 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, This one we need to change by u. The s we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 41 over 41. And we put about c. About u, that is about 3x plus 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.